Have you ever been craving fried rice but don't want to leave the comfort of your home to get it? By the end of this video, I will have shown you how to make fried rice from just a few everyday ingredients in your fridge. I feel as if I'm qualified enough to teach you this because this is my go-to meal whenever I'm home. First thing you'll want to do is gather the ingredients needed in the recipe. This recipe is from Antonio Margaretti, published in 2018 on culinarybookinfo.com. I have rice, shredded carrots, eggs, green peas, soy sauce, and green onions. You can add any other type of vegetable you want or any other type of sauce. This is just the recipe that I'm using. Next, you want to gather the materials. Here I have a colander to drain the water after the rice cooks, a spoon to help dump the rice, a knife to cut the vegetables, and a cutting board to use it on. Lastly, I have a spatula or something to stir everything in the final step. The first step is to cook the rice. First, fill a pot half full of water. If you add too much water, it could boil over. If you don't add enough, all the rice might not be underwater, therefore it won't cook. Then you add the rice, and you put the burner on high and let it boil for 10 minutes with the top on. The next step is to prepare the vegetables. In an article published in 2007 by allrecipes.com, T.D. Rhodes said that the vegetables should be no bigger than the grain of rice. This makes it easier to stir and eat in the end. Your next step is to add a pan to a burner at medium heat. When the vegetables are ready, add the vegetables to the pan. This recipe calls for 3 eggs to be whisked. The amount of eggs needed depends on the serving size of the dish. You'll want to break the shell and add the yolk to the bowl. Once all the yolks are ready, whisk away until the texture is liquid and consistent without the whole bowl. Avoid leaving the mixture too thick because this will lead to an inconsistent texture when you're eating it. When the eggs are ready, add them to the pan. It should take time to cook, and in a few minutes it should look like scrambled eggs and vegetables. When everything else is ready, add the rice to the pan. As mentioned by Rhonda Parkinson in her article published by Spruce Eats, the most popular type of sauce is soy sauce. You can add any type of sauce you want, but this is the one I use for recipe. When everything is ready, add the sauce and stir. After watching this presentation, it should no longer take a trip to Panda Express to enjoy gourmet fried rice. All these ingredients are just laying around in your fridge waiting to be used. Remember to avoid adding the wrong amount of water in the rice pot and leaving the vegetables in pieces that are too big. This has been how to make fried rice in the comfort of your home.